Boom. Okay, so the day has come. This is the first day of my trip and the start of my sabbatical. So those of you who have not tuned in yet, I'm the Whalen, and this is my vlog adventure that's inspired by my sabbatical that I'm taking from work. So my employer gives you an 8-week sabbatical every 7 years, and I'm taking mine. I'm getting 10 weeks, and 6 of that has been spent on the road with this trip. So go back and see my first video intro to get some more details on that. But right now we are getting some food, stop off, and then on our way to the first campsite tonight. So I'll be camping around Central Oregon tonight, and then Crater Lake tomorrow, and then after that we're going through to California. So stay tuned for that, and maybe we'll do some content with the camping and the truck with my 2018 Raptor geared out for Overland. But I'm excited. Okay, so we made it to the first camp spot. It's a lake area, lake dam area, just outside of Eugene, and then tomorrow we're going to carry on. I left kind of late from Portland, so the sun's going to set in about an hour, and thought it'd be good to find a camp spot before the sunset. So this is I just found this off of Gaia GPS by looking at their recreation map and looked at what campsites are actually available and open right now, because a lot of them don't open until June or the summer. And this one was available, and it's deserted. There's like nobody here. I saw one dude fishing, and that's it. So it's pretty nice, and obviously it's pretty tame, but that's fine. We'll set up camp tonight here, maybe get some shots of that. It's a good test run, and then we'll level up on this trip hopefully later. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, well, I like to cook. So, we are going to cook this New York strip over an open fire in cast iron, actually. And, for a little side, we have some jalapenos and onion. So we'll get to that here in a minute. That is good. That is good. I'm gonna have onion. And for those of you who are squeamish about peppers, this is for my best friend Franklin if he's watching, because he hates spicy. Jalapeno. Good. Okay. Day one, night one of sabbatical road trip overland camp adventure. complete. I know there's going to be some comments that say, hey, you're in a campground. That's not overlanding. I get it. We'll get to it. I got to level up. But anyway, this is my first time sleeping in this tent, and it is awesome. It's way better than sleeping on the ground. I've done ground tent camping before, and this is full-on glamping. I mean, there's really no way to get around it. And it's great. You can foam mattress. It's like 2 inches, I think, and then a moisture layer underneath of that. I'm elevated. I can fit all my stuff in here. I fit me in here. I can fit other people in here. So that's great. This is pretty good, and I'm excited to keep using it throughout the weeks to come. So, got to go to bed, and tomorrow's another day. So, until the next day, thanks for watching.